You ready for this, man? You ready to snuff out every destroyer piece we find?
It's payback time, Rembrant. They bomb our turf, we're gonna
Yeah,
bomb
Fox
theirs.
told Cleon they were out partying tonight, getting real wasted, so there won't be too many destroyer patrols out.
Fuck them. Listen, you just worry about the paint, Rembrant. I'll keep those fucks off your back. So you ready or what?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Cover that shit, man. Let Virgil know he can't fuck with us.
Do your thing, man. I got your back.
One down, Rembrant. Now let's go hit the rest of their turf.
Come on, let's move.
What a whip! Man, I drank like twice as much shoe. You don't see me spraying lasagna over the street.
Oh, great. Destroyers.
Come on, Wimp.
Yeah!
Don't show your goddamn ugly face, idiot!
Cover me.
You see the bug?
Come on, let's move.
Hands up, buddy!
You're mine.
You got some extra flash?
Wait, when I get a hold of you, made my you're day, brother. fucked. That's some good. Take him out.
What? You want to fuck with the Warriors? Come on.
Man, they can't hear me. here. Come on, let's move. Ah, shit. Here we go, and here you go, man. Go,
Warriors?
see you later. Ready for a beating, man? Huh? You ready? Get your ass over here! Yeah, come and fight, you Cover me!
Don't have to worry with me around.
Hey, yeah, hey, man! We're gonna get made! We're gonna get made here!
Nice work. Now can we wreck something?
I was scrapping when your ass was still getting grounded for breaking curfew. You ain't got no chance, sucker. I'm gonna fill you full of holes. You are gonna pass.
You're getting pretty good at that.
You ain't skulking away, turkey. Let's do this shit.
Take him out!
I'm gonna wreck your face!
Hit him hard! Don't let guard, man! We're in the same game! Fuck, man! This is some fine spray, man. No drips with this shit.
Hey, dudes, you need some
You
stuff.
went for the beating of your life! Still got that flash, man? Cover me! Got you back! Look out, shithead! Hey! Cool it, man! Here we go, fucko! Take him out! It's like fighting a ragdoll or some shit. How you feeling now?
Trying to muscle up in my face? I got a bone to pick with you, man.
Get back here!
What is
Fight
that?
me like a real
I thought you had a bad rep, man.
Come on, let's move! You're leaving a trail of piss behind you, chicken shit. And maybe you should go practice or something.
Come out, huh? Well, I don't blame you, because I would have rocked your ass.
When I get a hold of you, you're I'm gonna get you out, because I'm gonna fucking face it.
I know you out here. I can smell your fear. You ain't fooling nobody, man. Oh, I ain't playing no games.
Everyone's gonna
You
know
wanna
we're
rumble?
here. Why you so scared, man? Just fight. Turn around, let's brawl. You're leaving a trail of piss behind you, kicking shit. Oh yeah! Get your ass over here!
Cool it. Cool your jets. All right, beat the crap out of each other. I don't know about that.
Stop running away! Shit, come and fight!
Guys, cool it. Cool your jets. All right, beat the crap. I don't memorize
You scared of a little pain, man? Get up! Stay on the fucking ground! You're the one who hurt me! You're leaving a trail of piss behind you! Hold up a sec. Look at
He snuffed out enough shit to piss him off. Let's move.
NYPD
Cover me.
unit, I'm in Hub.
You're leaving it. I can wait. Don't let me slow you down, cuz. Hey, are you scared, man? Just fight me. Turn around, let's brawl.
I can't wait to fuck you, buddy.
Yo, man, you all right? Come on.
Thanks. I was out of it.
Nice work. Now can we wreck
Start
something?
the fire, pal. You're all out of water. Call it quits, pal. Surrender already. NYPD unit, I'm on the trail of a perp-wearing gang color. Stand by for backup.
You're getting pretty good at that.
Cover with me. NYPD unit, I'm in hot pursuit of suspect.
Shakes already. I'm like a fucking...
You're getting a free ticket to the mercy. Freeze! Police!
What's the hurry, man? Throw me in there.
It was just starting to get good. I was watching that. Hey, you're the sick one watching them dudes, huh?
Hold up a sec.
All
Come
right,
on, let's
I'll wait.
move. Virgil's gonna be so pissed off when he finds out we bombed his whole turf, man.
There's a fat piece right on the back wall of their hangout. Do that one. That'll make them shit.
Oh, Christ. You want me to snuff a burner right on their hangout? What if they're in there just waiting for us?
Ah, fuck. Look, you girls can stand out here all night deciding if you're gonna go a pair of balls. I'm going in there.
Come on, Rembrandt. I bet you could tag a whole piece right over that back wall.
Yeah. All right. Let's bomb it. Where'd Ajax get to?
I bet they're doing funnels and shit by now. How'd I get stuck pulling scout? This is bullshit. Ain't nothing going on in the...
Tell me not to get drunk on patrol.
There ain't a goddamn thing around. I gotta lay off the flash. Hiding is so pussy. I hate it when they hide. Fuck it. If you ain't brave enough to show your face, I'm out of here.
Hold up a sec. That'll teach those toys not to bother Warrior's turn. Okay, all done, guys.
That's great, Rembrandt. Really great. Man, they're gonna be so pissed.
Okay, can we get out of here now? I don't want to be around when they sober up.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, we haven't found Ajax yet.
There he is.
Hey, where'd you go? What'd you do with my spray?
Don't worry about it. What, you think you're the only one around here with artistic talent? Huh, come on, let's get out of here.
Shit, that was a good party, man. Oh, party. Yeah. Oh, fuck, man. Get the fuck up. Hey, what the fuck? Who drank all my shit? Shit! Let's see what's going on out here. Wait a minute. What the fuck? I've been... The Warriors? The Warriors? I'm gonna kill those fucking Warriors!
Tell me, Masai, What do you see before you? I see.